I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system for firmware changes. Save files, disable Windows Fast Startup, and have admin credentials and recovery media ready. Reboot and press Delete or F2 to enter the ROG UEFI. You do this because Secure Boot is controlled in firmware, not in the OS. Once inside, navigate to the Advanced or Boot tab and confirm current BIOS version and secure boot state. This helps you restore defaults if needed. Make sure to note any custom RAID or NVMe settings before proceeding. You now perform the core steps. Go to Boot or Security, then find Secure Boot and OS type. Change OS type to Other OS when available. This relaxes platform key checks. Next, change Secure Boot from Enabled to Disabled and accept prompts about clearing keys or managing PK/KEK. Do so if you intend to fully disable enforcement. Once done, check Compatibility Support module. Enable CSM only if you require legacy boot for older drives or devices. Finish by saving and exiting the UEFI. Use F10 or the Save and Reset option. Then boot normally. You should verify Secure Boot is off in Windows System Information or by attempting the target unsigned OS or driver install. If the system fails to boot, make sure you didn't clear required boot keys for disk encryption or RAID. If needed, restore BIOS defaults and reconfigure storage mode, or re-enroll keys from UEFI key management. If problems persist, use your USB recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.